Hi, welcome to pre-order tree traversal in binary tree using recursion. Here, first, what we have to do, as per the procedure, we have to traversal through the start from the root node. So root node has to be visited. Then root is passing to the pre-order. So root is assigned to the node. Now we are checking node is null or not. No, here root is one, which is not null, so which is returning, which is not executing this step. Then we will visit the left subtree. So once node value is written, then left subtree is visited, then right subtree is visited, so right subtree will be visited. Now this, when we are visiting a node dot left, so this is the one is the node, so here the node dot left is 2. So when we are visiting the 2, we have to visit entire subtree. So again this function is called once again, this function is called once again, right? So here the node dot left is here, one dot left is 2, so 2 is passing here. Again it will check node is assigned to the 2, 2 is assigned to the node, then 2 equal to null, which is false. Then again node value is printed, node value is 2, now 2 is printed. So earlier 1 is printed, now 2 is printed. So 1 is become rich, 2 is motivations. Then here, so in this 2, so again you look at that, after printing the 2, again we have to call 2 dot left. So 2 dot left, so 2 dot left is again we are having enjoy life, so that is the node number 3. So 3 will be printed, so left side printed. Then here again we have to pass 3 dot left, 3 dot left, so 3 dot left is null, 3 dot left is null. Okay, so again when you are passing the 3 dot left, null will become, so if it is null, returning nothing. If it is returning nothing, then first, then 2 dot or right we have to call here. Next step, 2 dot right. So 2 dot right we have to call the same function. So 2 dot right is here 4, so 4 is passing, so then 4 will be printed. So it will keep on go. Now we will see the small example. Here the tree is given, tree is having 3 nodes, node A, node B, node C. Here first we are passing value node, we are passing node A as a root. So here root is passing A, so A is assigned to the node. So now we are checking node A is equal to null or not. So node equal to null is false, it will not execute. Then so here we are, as per this we are printing preorder, preorder of A. You look at this, I have given here clearly. So preorder of A is uh, passing into the method. So now node is printed, so node is here A, so A dot value is printed, so A dot value is printed. Then node dot left, this step for A we are passing node dot left. So node dot left is A dot left, then A dot left is here B, A dot left is here B. So B is passing pre-order of B. Once again we are passing the, we are calling the method. Okay, we are calling the method A dot left. A dot left is we are calling, then so function again will call, function again will call, right? So for this here A dot left is B, so B is passing now, B is passing now. So second time B is passing, so B is the root, so root is assigned to the node. Now we are checking B equal to null, no, which is false. Then it will print the node dot value, node dot value is B, printing the B, printing the B. Once B is printed, then we have to call B dot left. For B dot left, B dot left is here, look at this, null is available. So now we are passing, right, pre-order of B dot left is null, pre-order of B dot left is null. Then once it is null, we are passing the null here, we are passing the null. Once we are passing the null here, node of null, so null is assigned to the node. So now null equal to null, which is true. Once it is true, which is return nothing, which is return nothing. So that is returning nothing here, which is returning nothing. Then once it is over, now the recent visited node is B. The recent visited node is B. So for this B, we have to execute the node dot write. Node dot write. So for B, we are executing node dot write. So B dot write. So B dot write is again here we are passing null. We are passing null. Okay. So once it is passing the null, now we are null value we are passing here. Null value we are passing. So root is null. Null is assigned to the node. So now again null equal to null, which is true. Then return nothing. That is given here. That is given here, returning nothing. Then again once B is completed, still A is pending. So for A, we have to call A dot write. A dot write. So for A dot write, here node is C. So here we are calling the A dot write. So A dot write is the C. So we are calling. So C is passing here. Then root is assigned C to the node. Now C equal to null. C equal to null, which is false. Which is false. Then here we are checking C dot value. So node dot value C. So C is printing here. Then for C we have to call C dot left. C dot left is here null. C dot left is here null. So null is passing. So if null is passing to the method, then the root is assigned with null. So null is node, no, having the node, I mean assigned to the node. Then here again null is assigned to the node equal to null, then which is returning nothing. So this line is executed now. Then once it is over, the now this line, the node dot left is over. For C we have to call C dot right, node dot right. So node dot right again, which is having null. So null is passing here. Then C dot right, C dot right is null. So null is passing here. So again null is assigned to the root. So here null is assigned. So node is having null now. So null equal to null, which is true. Then return nothing. So once it is over, you see for all the nodes, all three lines have been executed. All three lines have been executed. Once all the nodes are visited, the algorithm will be stopped. Thanks for watching.